Alright, hey, welcome to the video. So today's video, what we're going to be doing is actually downloading images from a HTML website. So I'm going to go a little smaller here. This is the website that I'm on here, Paper Pillar. I really love this header hero design here that they have here. It's a really nice website. Obviously they've got some cool movements flying down. These things are moving. I don't know how to do any of this stuff. I'm not good at this web stuff. But all I want to do is download this image. You can see if I click and drag, this image is not working. Generally, when you were to click and drag an image off a website, you'd be able to download it to your desktop automatically. But this image is within the HTML of it, so it's not really just one image. So I'm going to walk you through how to download this. So first thing you want to do is right click, and then you want to you want to view page source, and then that will open a new tab of all the code that they use to build the site. And then once that's open, let me make myself smaller here. Once that is open, you can go see, and this is all the code for their site. So you can see on these links, you can see here assets, images, favicon. So if I click that, it will bring me to the favicon image, but we don't want the favicon. What we want, we're going to keep scrolling down, look, header section, images, assets, images, logo, light. Okay, that might be good. Or what might be better is main content, landing, home, hero. So you can see assets, images, pattern, background image. So click on this image.png and it will open up in a new tab. Should be the image. You can see this. So this is the pattern from their site. This is this pattern. So this is a transparent image because you can see it's PNG. Transparent image that's over top of their gradient image. I don't know if this is a gradient or just coded gradient. Generally, a lot of websites just use coding to get their gradient. So then that is over top of it. But then once it's here, we can actually just click and drag it and download it to our desktop. And then we're going to see, we want here too, look, images, hero guy 1. This will open here. So this is hero guy 1. And I think they actually had 2 hero guys. One hero guy 1, one hero guy large. And so they have 2 different hero guys. This is for the actual different computer that you're on. If you're on a big desktop, it's going to be the big hero guy. If you're on your phone, it'll be a small hero guy. So I'm just going to download the small guys because I don't know how to do different websites for different platforms, and most of the time it's just for most people are just visiting on your mobile. So, and then what we're going to do, I'm just going to open up all these, guy 2, 3, and hero girl. And then what we can do is we can just download them all to our desktop. And then we can go in Photoshop and then we're going to be able to go to Photoshop and actually just put these together, because I'm not familiar enough with coding on how to put them all together in a website like that. So what we're going to do is actually just put it together in an image, and then we'll be able to upload that image to our header. I don't recommend stealing images from other websites. I believe it's some sort of copyright issue. It's probably just copyright. But if you wanted to take it for inspiration or whatever, what have you, that's how you're going to be able to take images from another website's HTML website. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.